As a beginner investor, these are 5 tips I wish someone had shared with me. These tips would have saved me some time and money in the beginning. Stay until the end because the last one is my favorite. Tip 5. Open an IRA. They are simple to set up. There are tax benefits that you can use now or defer with a Roth IRA until retirement. Most importantly is that your employer can't make changes to it later if you change jobs. You take that with you. As a person that likes to move around and change in my environment, that's an important factor to me. Tip 4. Buy index funds. I like index funds because it allows you to diversify your portfolio easily and quickly. You don't have to do a ton of research. You can find an index fund that you like, that you believe in, that has companies that you believe in, and just start investing. And you will automatically be invested in several companies. This gives you instant diversity. Everyone knows about the S&P 500, but there are other index funds out there as well. Tip 3. Dollar cost average. Dollar cost averaging allows you to take the emotions out of investing. It allows you to invest in the highs and in the lows so that you kind of taper all of your investments and you're not trying to time the market, because timing the market is never a great strategy. I use M1 financing to do my dollar cost averaging. It allows me to say what percentage of my portfolio is allocated to what, and it just does the rest. I'll leave a link to M1 in the description below. Tip 2. Active investing. Active investing isn't great if you're brand new to investing. You should probably not start off with active investing. Once you have a feel for things, you can definitely try it. Know that with active investing, you have to constantly be monitoring the market, and things can change literally in an instant. I suggest taking a class or reading some books on strategy first. I believe Terry Legern's Invest with Terry course is one of the best in the market. Tip 1. My favorite. Invest in yourself. This one is my favorite because it always has the best returns. Investing in yourself is by far the best investment you can ever make. It is an investment that always goes up in value, never goes down. It is an investment that can never be lost. Investing in yourself allows you the opportunity to grow and reach higher and dream bigger and do more. Comment below what is your favorite investment tip from this list. For more investment tips, watch this video next. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.